Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Tesla stock, and let's do the price action on this thing. We have a rebounding day today on Tesla. Is this a start of a consolidation over here, or do we still have potential to continue lower? What are the levels to watch and the price action to watch for that? And can we continue to the upside? So we'll take a look at all of that in this video. But before that, I also want to let you know, none of this is any financial advice. It's only for education purposes. Please do your own thing, just sharing my opinion here. So I want to start off by just also showing you my day trading bot today as well. We got a profitable position, a profitable move today. You can see the data on the left side of the table as well for the last 30 trades. But anyways, like these are only educational purposes tools. Use them at your own risk if you like. Links to my tools are in the description below this video. So happy with what we got today as well on Tesla. Now, overall structure, right? Let's start off with the daily interval. Now, market tried to rebound. Eventually, by the time market closed, it closed red in a sell-off, but Tesla still did better than the rest of the market. But we already had its effect like post-earning when it sold off, and what it also led to do is it led Tesla to break the price structure pretty much, right? We lost 234, this bottom of the blue box area, right? We are below 20 days moving average. So today's move or the price action is just a rebound. And as you can see, we got to the next level into this rebound of 226. And that's something I pointed you to yesterday as well, that as if rebound continues, the first level to watch in this rebound to the upside would be 226 to this zone, pretty much where the significant levels is, right? Now what from here, right? So there are a couple of things that we are watching on on Tesla now. So significant level we had at 212, and that's where we found the support today at the significant level, and you can see we went up. All the principles of trading are still the same. This was one of the levels, 219 and above. It was a long play to the next level, 226, right? Because we were in the rebound phase. Though we are still in the little bit downtrend structure overall on the daily, but we got this rebound with the support at significant level, got above 20 hours moving average, and got above that level of consolidation, or at least the previous almost a pivot. And that's where you play this a continuous rebound, even though the signal was already in the morning once we also got a support at 212 and was just right around here with a good green candle as well, taking out this little bit of post and pre-market consolidation. But I like to see the day level, regular trading time levels consolidation, because that's when most of the volume is traded, right? So that's why that is more important. But anyways, that was the trade for today. Now, what from here in the price action we have to watch? So two things. Tesla, though in the downtrend it's rebounded today, you can see it rejected at the next significant level on the top side. Then if we get above $226 area, there is a likelihood that we can test 234 on Tesla. But until the bottom of the blue box, that's just going to be intraday's upside or intraday rebounds from the overall structure, nothing more than that. Overall structure right now is not bullish on Tesla, but intraday rebounds as they're coming, they can come. Now, so one level is 226 and above if that's how the price sets up in the pre-market. And or if Tesla stays above 20 hours moving average now, or if it dips below but if comes back up, thus forming a higher pivot here, right? And then it can, let's say if it dips below, comes back up and then breaks above 219 and 54 cents again tomorrow, this can continue higher. So in other words, intraday, if any pullback comes in this case and Tesla stays above 214 and 75 cents, it still has a chance, but I would say let it get above also 20 hours moving average again. It can continue in this rebounds on the intraday at least. So, but yeah, 234 will be the top though, but that will be like level by level if we have to go up like 226 and above. One day of rebound usually doesn't tell us much. It's just a 1 day of rebound, right? Intraday. All right. And then if wherever price reaches up there, technically still is in the downtrend. So things are, technically still negative, right? The other thing is, because overall structure is in the downtrend, if you are not, technically that was an intraday rebound to the upside, but if you just want to stay with the trend, with the direction, you can wait for these rebounds to complete at this significant level. And like, for example, now the short play was this one at that significant level. Intradays, you can still trade both sides, guys, right? And then once the rebound completes, you short it into it, right? But it's an intraday play only, because if the pivot forms here, right, then short play is not active anymore. It's a long play. So you have to pivot according to these levels. And as I said, even if this rebound continues, structure overall on Tesla will not turn bullish unless we get above 234. But until then, as if those pivots holds, we can continue to 234. Otherwise, no. If anytime we lose that $214 level that I provided you, so let me go back to the hourly interval again. Yeah, if anytime tomorrow we lose 20 hours moving average, just let it slip lower, right? It's not a buy then. You will have to see if it comes back again and then breaks above 219.56 cents. Otherwise, now it can continue lower. Then you can again see that if 212 level holds, and if it forms a double bottom here in this zone and then starts to go up again, gets above 20 hours moving average, then you can play the rebound based on the time of the market as well. If it's in the morning, that's great. But if it's in the mid-morning, then no, because mid-morning volume is not much. You might get chopped around and there won't be enough power in the stock to push through up then, right? So early in the morning hours, well, when the market just opens, or the power hour, that is the last almost hour of the market. So that's that. So yeah, let's see if this turns into consolidation. We are right around, still above 250 days moving average, though, but below 20 days moving average. So let's see. I would not go, when I say not, I mean, I would not go beyond intraday right now on the both sides, because yeah, sure, the follow through play after earnings was this red candle. And then the next day, as we are seeing a green candle, we have to see if this continues to rebound as for the levels I provided, right? And accordingly, you can make your decision. I provided you both what you have to look for bullish and the short place. Whatever you're comfortable with, you can trade with those levels as the price action would react at those particular levels, right? So that's that. In the post market, you can see, and Tesla is selling. Why do I keep saying NVIDIA? Yeah, NVIDIA, I've been doing a lot of videos on those. And I have been buying some ETFs, guys. If you are not aware about my Junior Trader Dividend Investing channel, I'm taking these dip opportunities to buy into YNVIDIA ETF, that is NVIDIA stock ETF as well. Check it all out. It's all on my channel, guys. Dividend Investing channel. Link to that channel is in the description of this video. And also links to my tools is in the description of this video. So we will see. We will see. Yeah. And if Tesla, guys, breaks those 214, then 205 is a possibility. And otherwise, yeah, let's see if we stay above 214. Tomorrow is another day that potentially a rebound may come. But then this rebound, I'll only bet until 234 eventually if this continues to stay level by level up. Not more than that right now, because that's where we have a resistance. So all right, so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Tesla is not complicated right now. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. All right, take care.